All right, so we're here with David today. It's with Dr. Davis. He wanted to take care of his knee pain that he's having. What brought you in the office today?
Chronic knee pain for the last 2 years in both knees, to the point that I can't play tennis without pain, can't stand for any period of time without pain, can't walk without pain.
So you've tried different things to help you?
I have. I've done physical therapy, I've done cortisone, I've done hyaluronic acid. None of those have worked for me.
Oh wow, I'm sorry to hear that. All right, let's see if the movements that bother you. Let's have you stand up. Any pain there?
Yes.
Where?
Both knees.
Okay.
Right knee more than the left.
Okay. Let's have you go down in a squat. So separate your legs a little bit. Go as slow as you can. All right. You can come up. Any pain there?
Yes.
Where?
Both knees, around both knees.
And in the front?
It's about 180 degrees all the way around.
Oh, in front of me. Okay. All right. Let's have you go down the stairs. And up. You can go up. So out of all one, did you have pain coming up more than you going down?
More pain going down, I think, in the right knee, but pain in both. And coming up the stairs, maybe a little bit less pain overall, but certainly the right knee was more problematic than the left.
Okay. Out of all of the movements you did, which one was the worst?
The stairs.
Stairs the worst? Okay. So 1 to 10, where you feel your pain is right now?
Probably an 8.5.
8.5. Okay. You ready to start?
I am.
All right, let's do it.
So basically we're doing a trigenics lengthening and strengthening. So some muscles I want them the tone to increase, and some I want them to release. I think you have that marker. Yeah, I've got that. So we're gonna...
You're pressing down a lot on this side of your foot there.
Yeah.
You gotta make sure you even it out.
And we'll do a modified version of this on the left. So with a scale of 0 to 10, if your right was a 10, what's your knee? What's your left?
My left one?
Yeah. Compared to your right.
Probably today it's probably a 6.5.
So it's up there today.
It is.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, traction. Take a nice deep breath and pull your knee up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull past it. 5, 6. Keep going. All the way, all the way, all the way. Good. Traction. Deep breath and up. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 4, 5. 6, all the way. 7, good. Do one more traction. Deep breath. 2, 3, 4, 7, good. Okay, traction and up. 1, 2, keep going. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, good. Traction and up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Let's get one more right insertion here. Anchor actually. And up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, good. Excellent.
All right, so David just finished the treatment with Dr. Davis. How you feel?
Feel pretty good.
Pretty good? Awesome. Let's have you do the movements again. So let's have you stand up. Any pain there?
No.
All right, give me a squat. Up. Any pain there?
No.
Awesome. Go all the way down. Great. I'll go all the way up. How's it feel?
It feels weak. No pain, but it feels weak, like I have baby deer legs.
Gotcha. Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
we worked on them a lot.
Yeah, no, but
so
no
you,
pain.
So you were safe. You were at 8 from pain. What are you at now?
0.5.
Wow, that's amazing.
That would be amazing, yes.
Yeah, I love it. All right, so you want to continue with the treatments that the doctor recommends?
Absolutely.
Beautiful.